I wonder why this one particular book is not talked about as much as it should be on social media. I read this book when I was in my college, and then I watched a movie adaptation of the book. Then I recently watched a musical adaptation of this particular book. And that is when I decided to go back and read the book again. And trust me, it left me with same pain and horror. So the book that I'm talking about is The Color Purple by Alice Walker. So this is not an easy read. It's raw, it's painful, it's intimate, and at times deeply uncomfortable. But it's also one of the most powerful stories ever written by a woman about survival, womanhood, and finding your voice in a world that is determined to silence you. So the novel follows Celie, a poor black woman whose life is shaped by abuse, racism, patriarchy, and isolation. The story is told through letters, first to God and later to her sister Nettie. And that structure is what makes the book so emotionally devastating. You don't just hear about Celie's suffering or what Celie's suffering. You hear her thoughts directly in her own imperfect, vulnerable voice. At the beginning, Celie barely believes that she is human. She has been told all her life that she is ugly, worthless, and powerless. And what makes this novel extraordinary is that Alice Walker, that is the author of the book, does not turn Celie into a strong female character in the modern cinematic sense. Celie survives quietly, slowly, through observation, through friendship, through love, through tiny acts of resistance. One of the most beautiful aspects of this particular book is the relationship between women in a world where men constantly try to dominate and control. The women in this book become each other's refuge. Sophia is fierce and unforgettable. Shug Avery enters the novel like a storm. She's sensual, she's rebellious, she's glamorous, she's alive. And through these women, Celie begins to understand that life can contain pleasure, beauty, and freedom. And she deserves all of it. And that's why the title matters so much. The color purple becomes a symbol of noticing beauty in the world despite all the suffering. And there's a famous idea in the novel that God gets angry if people walk past the color purple in a field and don't notice it. It's such a simple image, but it transforms the whole meaning of the story.